Welcome. Automated Usability Testing Tools, presented by Shauna Lindo. Automated usability testing can be used to test websites, web applications, mobile apps, and even desktop applications. Some key terms to consider when thinking about automated usability testing are usability. According to the International Organization for Standardization, usability is defined as the extent to which specified users can use a system, product, or service to achieve specified goals with effectiveness, efficiency, and satisfaction in a specified context of use. Quantitative or qualitative research. Quantitative research gives you usability results via numbers and statistics, while qualitative research is all about words and their meaning. Usability testing. Usability testing is done to determine the extent to which the software, product, or application should be easy to understand, learn, operate, and it should look attractive to the users under specified conditions. Prototype testing. This allows you to test your prototype with users before it launches. First click testing. This is where you upload an image and you track where your testers would click first in order to complete a given task. Heat maps. A heat map is a graphical representation of user activity on your website or application with color-coded values. A heat map aids in providing visual data on where your testers clicked on a particular screen. Preference testing. Preference testing is a research method that involves sharing 2 or 3 design variants with participants and asking about their preference. A/B testing, also known as split testing, compares the performance of 2 variants in a live production environment. This method splits organic users into a control version A and a treatment group version B, assigned randomly to minimize bias. The 2 tools that were selected are Lookup and Pingdom. These tools were selected after thorough research for a free automated usability testing tool that has session recording, load time assessment, and performance grade as some of the key features. Lookback was used to record usability tests for a social media and e-commerce website to assess how the users interact with the interface. Pingdom was used to provide some insights on the performance grade and load time and how it influences usage hours for users. The experiment. The experiment design was to assess user experience with social media and e-commerce applications designed to enhance user engagement and usage through automated usability testing tools. The objective of this experiment is to evaluate the user experience of social media and e-commerce applications and understand how specific design elements influence user engagement and usage. The aim is to identify usability issues, measure user satisfaction, and determine the impact of design improvements on user engagement and usage metrics. So the Pingdom results. TikTok was one of the first applications that were tested. The performance grade here was 82. The load time was 719 milliseconds. They had 26 requests, and this is the page size in megabytes. Next, I tested Facebook, and you can see a drastic difference here because this one now is rated at C with a performance grade of 80. Next, we have YouTube, which was also rated at 80. And finally, Instagram, which had a score of 73. This clearly shows the rise in applications today. TikTok is one of the most common and mostly used application among many young teens and adults across the world. And the low time and performance grade, it clearly shows that many users are so inclined to use TikTok because it is very fast, it is responsive, and content is always on the feed. New recommendations are being placed for the user to access and to explore. This is a walkthrough of an automated usability test using Lookup. So, a welcome page will greet you and it states, "Welcome. Today we will be doing a usability test to assess user experience based on the design of e-commerce applications to enhance user engagement and usage through automated usability testing tools." Let's open up the setup window. Your cousin Imani recently announced that her wedding is 1 month away, and all wedding guests are required to wear black. With limited time to spare, you are now tasked with finding the perfect dress to attend this momentous occasion. Search the website for a black dress. I'll select the dresses category, and then I'll look for the color black, select it, then I'll select my size. I'll also go ahead and select the length that I'm looking for to attend the wedding. Next task, browse through the recommended options and view the dress description, pricing, and availability. So I'm going to browse through the different options available here for me. Okay. And it is available. Next task, select the dress of your choice and add it to the shopping bag. So I'll add to bag. And that's the end of this session. We will now do a walkthrough of a usability test for a popular social media website. Scroll through the home feed to view posts from friends, followed pages, or groups. For the purpose of this demonstration, these videos will be viewed on mute. Like, comment, or share a post from another user. Next, explore stories. It seems like I'm unable to view stories with the desktop application effectively. And that's the end of the session. To conclude, a well-designed website or application can enhance engagement with your site and promote prolonged usage of your website or application. You must ensure that mobile features are available on the desktop versions as well. Be sure to check my references out in the video description below.